Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to show to you how to fix mobile data on iPhone. So the first step is to simply open the control center, and then you'll have to simply enable airplane mode for like 10 seconds, and after that you'll have to simply disable it, and then as you can see you'll have to wait, and basically it's gonna look for some signal. So you're gonna need to have signal. After that you'll have to enable, as you can see, the mobile data, and you'll have to make sure that Wi-Fi is turned off and the Bluetooth connection, and now this should work. Now if this doesn't work, you'll have to go to settings, and after that you'll have to simply go on and see if there is any software update to be made. So as you can see, if you go to software update here, you're gonna see that if there is any update to be made. Usually if you make an update, this would fix the problem, because usually Apple fixes all the time the problems with mobile data. As you can see, I have here a software update available, so I have to just simply tap on it and then simply wait and install it, and after that I'll have to reset my phone, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.